Hello, DisneyCarToys here, and today I am showing you the Deluxe Diecast Planes from the Disney Store. There are only 3 planes in this Deluxe Diecast series. We will start with the helicopter Hector Vector. Hector Vector has a special surprise for you. It's Mater! Lightning McQueen has some pretty good connections in the planes world, and he got Mater ride on Hector Vector. Woohoo! If you slide this button, Hector Vector's sunshades go up and down. Pretty nifty. Hector Vector has a similar face to the Dinoco helicopter. Hector Vector proudly displays the Mexican flag. His rear propeller spins very easily. And with a little push, his top propeller spins very fast. And of course, he has working tires. Now we will see Bravo and Deluxe Diecast Echo. Just like the plane's helicopter, they both have moving visors and working tires. Both planes carry soft rubber bombs. They are diecast but have some plastic features. Here's a better look at Bravo's body. In the comments section, let me know which plane is your favorite. Do you like Bravo, Echo, or Hector Vector the helicopter? Thanks for watching and have a great day.